welcome my beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today topic, una where they go China, go they eat. Others are kakomingo. China food. Mona take am easy area does scatter for China people oh. Una need to see wetin China take dey cook for una oh, my darling people. They say nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. This one wey me I see, I shocked her lies 10 times. Hey, my people oh. So na so the life, na so the world come be now we be say China people. Now our black men John Thomas now they come to the cook for una. Hey, my darling people, oh, this one shocked me like it shocked me 10 times. Say now John Thomas of our men, now China people now say they cook for una. Now China people say they cook now our black men John Thomas. I hope una know wetin be John Thomas or logo. Our men John Thomas or logo where they between their leg. Now China people say they cook now. When me I see the thing, that is why to eat their food. It don't take when I eat their food, Richard. Yeah, it's back. That is why to eat that their food now they tire me. When me I go see wetin dey happen sometimes and the thing go dey shockalize me. Like wetin come dey happen for this world now? Where this world they turn it to now? Where they turn it to? Like seriously, my darling people. Our men John Thomas na China people take they cook now oh. Who never hear make it hear oh. Watch this video to the end oh. Share the video. Share the video to your friends. Share the video to people. Share it to your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Messenger. Share this video, please. When me I see this one, in case of people will be say that they not the fit do without China food. I beg, Mona, share this video to them. If you get friends like me before, I like China food before. But when me can see, say, I can't see some kind things where they take the cook, but they eat alone. I fear not let me come near their food again. So you will be say you see they eat their food, my darling sister or brother. I beg. No eat the food again. Oh, may not be saying now you might be now you they eat. May not be saying now your own John Thomas now you they eat. So anybody will see this video, help me share them. I fear when I see them. I fear who no fear China people. I fear who no fear China people. This one where China people they now it pass Joromi, my darling people. It pass Joromi. How can China people go just carry Percy John Thomas till they cook? My darling people. This one shock me oh. Not be only a video where be say it not make sense when I go to share. More now share this one where make sense now. Share it to your friends. Because there are some people that like China food well. They know they feel do without China food. Some people they like that. They like China food past any other thing for this world. So you will be say you they watch me so. If you be the type where like China food, share this video. Watch this video, please. Please. Because we don't know what we they eat for this our body. First go just carry anything they eat. See what China just they cook, they give people. Our men John Thomas so then make some people now they know they get John Thomas again. In fact, how they say the evil they cut him. Okay, now the ones where don't me already. Things they this world though. Things really they this world. So our men John Thomas now in China can't say they cook. Now wow. Now wow. Not the way Musa no go see forget. Not the way Musa no go see forget. Oh. Things they this world though. Things really did this world, my darling people. China people want meme people. China people want meme people. Oh. China people want meme people. Oh. My darling people, when me I see the video, I shocked. Oh. I shocked. I shock. Say now, our man John Thomas, now China can't say they cook. China not gonna see their own men use again, no. Our black, oh no. So now the ones we don't men now China they use now. Say they cook their food. That is why I don't tell when I eat China food ratio. I know they even near that area again. Because when we come they see some kind things for this social media. Person we just get this idea, say this social media must be. Maybe they see everything and God go bless that person really. Because if not be this social media, many things we with the hear, we for not the hear more. Many things we with the see, we for not the see more. We for not the see am. Now this social media come because they see so many things where they happen. My darling people. They say nothing where Musa no go see forget. Hey. China people, now want make people finish. Now want make people finish. China people. So now, when I'm not gonna see another thing use again and John Thomas na content they cook. Hey. Very soon, now Bekus will consider the CEO. Now John Thomas will not see now. We never see Bekus Wendy. Okay, Bekus will not go let on our court. Thank God, though we never see sick Bekus. So now John Thomas now we don't see it now. My darling people, things they read the apple for this world. May we they use our HQ. May we they use our HQ. Things they apple for this world. Things they happen, no. Things they happen. My darling people. As I see the video, now say man, I can't share and give you now. More now see Wetin they happen because I know say ever since now that Jesus matter just full everywhere. Now say no, this one I have to bring this video out. Make I consider show the world though Wetin they happen for China. Oh, China want many people. Oh, China and I don't understand them again. Oh. China people now na fair cause this Okoro drivers will not finish again. Now this one again. My darling people, I beg. Share this video, let the video go viral. Anything wanna think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you go to hear many your bunga news when they come out for y'all.